Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to replace Toyota Tundra headlights. Easy method. Start by removing the negative battery cable to prevent shorts. Open the hood and locate the headlight assembly retaining screws. Remove the grille trim if needed and keep all fasteners organized. Wear gloves to protect bulbs and avoid touching glass. Lay out replacement bulbs and test them before final installation to save time and verify function. Remove the old headlight assembly carefully to avoid breaking tabs. After opening the hood, unfasten the visible bolts and any hidden clips behind trim pieces. Pull the assembly forward with steady pressure to disengage the mounting tabs. Disconnect the electrical connector by pressing its release tab and wiggle it free. Remove the bulb by turning it counterclockwise or releasing its retaining clip, and set the old parts aside for proper disposal. Install the new headlight bulb carefully, avoiding contact with the glass to prevent hot spots. Align the bulb and twist or clip it into place, then reconnect the electrical connector until it clicks. Before fully reassembling, reconnect the battery and test both low and high beams to confirm operation. Adjust the assembly so mounting tabs seat properly, tighten bolts evenly, and replace any trim pieces. Finish by checking beam alignment and cleaning the lens.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.